At Tulip Medical Products, we know that mentorship is the foundation of progress in medicine. The See-and-Do Master Bundles are built around that belief, pairing expert instruction with the exact instruments used by leaders in the field. Today, we're spotlighting the Nabil Fakih See-and-Do Face Master Bundle, your opportunity to learn directly from Dr. Fakih. This exclusive bundle combines Dr. Fakih's personally selected instruments with one complete training workshop video. In this comprehensive session, you'll learn about his philosophy for achieving natural, harmonious results. And with the same instruments in your hand, you'll be able to incorporate his techniques into your practice. Inside the set, you'll find 1 Tumescent infiltrator, 1 Tonnard harvester, 3 tulip injectors, 1 Fakih portless V-dissector, 1 20cc snap lock, 1 10cc Johnny lock, and the Nanofat set with sterile cartridges, plus a starting supply of consumables. Every detail was hand-selected by Dr. Fakih to support his proven techniques for deep, mid, and intradermal grafting. With this bundle, you're not just gaining instruments. You're gaining mentorship and access to master-level instruction. When you compare the combined value of the instruments, consumables, and training, this offer provides significant savings over purchasing each component separately. Ordering your See-and-Do bundle's easy. Just visit the link below to browse all of our See-and-Do bundles. Thank you for watching and taking a look at the Nabil Fakih See-and-Do Face Master Bundle from Tulip Medical Products.